Salemia Doctor Owiti Jesse Kirowo Selan Imoso mother and father-in-law Penina Kodlona Bidi Nerea Tili Imoso Namaro Roda Achille Girosa Nyango.
That's a fork-tailed drongo. Hi guys, almost a decade ago, I happened to travel to a place called Cape Cross Seal Colony.
Fire, baby.
So here I am approaching the entrance to NWR outlet at Cape Cross Seal Colony.
Fire, baby.
Be advised that you have to report to that office, and that happened to be the old office. This video was taken way back, to be precise, on the 8th of December. The year was 2014. Payments are charged as per, the residents, non-residents, and that money goes to improving wildlife services resorts in the country. You report on that office and make your payment revenue to the government for, this wonderful sighting environment, the Cape Cross Seal Reserve. Please note, I have another video which I'll be producing soon, and the office at the Cape Cross Seal Colony has changed. It has been shifted to the opposite side with new and better services.
Fire, baby.
Now you find Cape Cross Seal Colony in Swakopmund. You leave Swakopmund, you hit that salt road. By then it was a salt road, all the way on your way to Tora Bay. When I arrived there, I did not have any equipment with me, but the amazing nature that I got going on there was epic. The seals had come out of the water, and the mother seals were giving birth to the new ones, to the newborns. Seals, being mammals, when they give birth, they expel a placenta. And you can imagine thousands of baby seals being born in a day, as much as 50 seals in a day. All those placentas staying there would be an awful experience with the smells, already smelling seals. Now add on to placentas would be a horrible smell. However, the ecosystem that I found there was epic. The seals were giving birth, and then nature was taking care of the hygiene needs of that environment. Hyenas, hyenas, jackals, and albatross birds were coming to eat those placentas. And that ecosystem was just amazing content for a wildlife photographer to capture. Ever since, I've done almost 4 trips to that place, and I never got to see that happen again. However, I've been in communication to NWR representatives at Cape Cross Seal Colony. After several phone calls with them, they have confirmed that the activity is happening soon. When you'll be watching this episode, I will have traveled to Cape Cross Seal Colony, and please do remember to subscribe, leave a like, comment, share, hit that notification button so that you're notified when I upload this epic, one-of-a-lifetime moment capturing wildlife in its own environment. I do this because this is the best way, to me, the best form of relaxation. Try it, you won't regret it. One life, live it, love it, enjoy it. And do it your way. Alright, thank you for watching this content up to this level. Thank you very much. Now, here are some of the behind the scenes that I used to spice up my content. The first attempt was to use these rocks on the foreground just to create depth, and then the car on the background. Then reverse, definitely, and drive through as I pan from right or from left to right, revealing the car moving and the background being the ocean. I had to do that 2 times to get it right, using the DJI running with the capability of panning and just following on the subject.
Father-in-law, Penina, Kodlona, Bibi. Nerea Tili, Imosana Maro, Roda Achie, Achie Girosa Nyango, Pamela Achie, Anko, Okil Roland, Good Diambo, good Cano Bonyo, Jepton.